How to write titles and tags on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write titles and tags on Etsy for the SEO of a product. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to Etsy.com and you will land right here. Etsy.com is an amazing platform that allows you to sell your own products. You can sell products in jewelry and accessories. We have clothing and shows, home and living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, art and collectible, craft supplies and tools, and vintage. When it comes to Etsy, it's a very big platform and there are thousands of stores available here and millions of products. So in these products, when there are so many products in your niche, in your category, how to make your product stand out and what difference does it make, how to actually make your product land in the first page when somebody searches on Etsy. So for that, we have different tags and titles that we can add. We need to create SEO friendly titles for the product and the different tags that we have. So that's what we will cover in this video. Let me give you an example first. So let's go to the clothing and store. And if I just search for, let's say I search for the word dress for women. Now that's as a user, that's what I'm searching on Etsy. That's like a lot of people will search this on Etsy. It's a keyword. That's what a keyword is. It's a keyword dress for women, and now I am getting the products. You can see this is the first product that I got, and it's organic summer wrap linen dress. Now, I didn't say I want a summer dress or this kind of dress, but this dress comes up first. Then we have this one right here, and I can scroll down and you can see a lot of different dresses are available. Why these dresses are being shown in this, after my search, it's because these products have the same keywords and the same tags. They're using the tag dress for women. That is why I will be able to see these. And you can see, of course, what I will see, I will buy. And it's really important that we see dresses that are in the first page. It's really important. And then we have some of the other products in other pages, but we don't go to far pages when we are searching for a product. So you can see this is what we work on. So I'm just going to take you to my shop manager now, and let's create a new product. So this is my store right here, and let's click on add a new listing. So you can see here I will create a new listing for a product. So first of all, we have to actually add a photo. So I'm going to quickly do that. So this is my product image right here. I'm actually going to be selling this yellow hoodie. Now we have a video, so for now I'm not going to add the video here. Then we have listing detail. Now this is where we need to work. We have a title, and then we have a about this listing, we have a category, and then we have renewal option, then we will have type, we have description, tags, and material. So let's actually fill in other information first. For instance, in price, I'm actually going to be selling this one for $50. So I have added the price here. Then we have some quantity. We have variation, delivery, and everything. So you will fill in all the information right here. And then you have this listing detail. The title. Include keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. So even, Etsy is saying this, that we need to search for the right keywords. How we can search for the right keywords on Etsy? The best way is actually searching on Etsy itself. What you're going to do is, for instance, I have right here, I have a yellow hoodie. So what people do is people don't search for, if I go with the word a hoodie which is yellow, so that doesn't even make sense. What we do is we kind of like go for a SEO friendly title that people will search on Etsy. So I'm gonna go with the word hoodie first. Instead of going for yellow hoodie, I'm gonna go with hoodie. And then when it comes to hoodie, I know that hoodies are actually, a lot of people search for winter hoodies instead of just hoodie. Let me actually open up a new tab for Etsy so that I can compare for you guys the different titles, and I show you how I create this SEO friendly title. So you can see I have added the word hoodie in the title. Now I'm going to go to Etsy and I'm going to type the word hoodie. Now I will be able to see the keywords. These are all the keywords that you see as a suggestions. These suggestion searches are actually the keywords. Hoodies and sweater, that's actually the first. Then we have hoodies. Then we have hoodies for men. And then we have hoodies for women. Hoodie mocap, hoodies men, hoodie blanket, hoodie men, hoodie with words on, hoodie pattern. Okay, so if I want go with hoodie yellow, let's say if it's a good keyword, you can see only one search. So I'm not gonna go with this word. Instead, I think I'm gonna go with hoodie man or hoodie for men. So that's like our main, title. So I'm gonna go for hoodie for men. Now again, I'm gonna search another thing here quickly. If I go with the word winter here, so let's see if hoodie winter not working. I'm gonna search for winter and then I'm gonna add hoodie. Okay, so winter hoodie is actually a keyword available, but before that, we have a lot of other keywords that we have. Like winter hat is actually more popular than winter hoodie, so I'm not gonna go with this word. The best keyword is going to be hoodie for men. This is how we know that this is the right title. All you need to do is search on Etsy. It's actually really easy. Search right here, and you will get the best results in the search bar, and it will give you the results for the most searched keywords on Etsy. This is how you create a title. So now I have a title here. Now we have about the listing. So I'm going to quickly fill this in. What is it? It's a finished product. When did I made? I made it recently. And then we have category. So in category, again, what we're going to do is we're going to go with men's clothing or men's hoodie. So we're going to go with men's clothing. Selecting a right category is also really important. So I'm going to go with clothing here. And in clothing, we have like best men gifts and others too. So we can select it here. Then we have a primary color and then other options, and we can scroll down to the description. Description should also be SEO friendly and make sure to use the right keywords in the description. And then we have the tags. Now tag is something that helps us get the best results. So what words might someone use to search for your listing? So what are the different words that will give the results for my hoodie? We have 13 here that we can add. So for that, what I do is I go to a platform known as Top Bubble Index, which is a free Etsy tag generator. Find great Etsy tags that suit your design in few seconds. So this is actually a really good way to just copy and paste your title and you will get the best results instead of doing a lot of research. It gets the results from Etsy. So it's actually really easy to use. What I'm gonna do is we have a title hoodie for men. So all you need to do in right here, tube a top bubble index. You can see topbubbleindex.com. There's no sign up required or anything like that. All you need to do is just enter your title here, search keyword, and then you're gonna hit search. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go with the word hoodie for men. Search for it and it will give you the tags. And here we have our results. You can see we got a lot of different tags to add, a lot of tags here from this tool. Now my title was not that specific, so you can see that it's giving me a lot of different types of tags. Now what we can do is we can copy the top 15 or top 13, I guess. From here you can see then we have copy all or we have Etsy trends. So you can also go with the Etsy trends and you can analyze the different keywords or the tags that you have generated. From here, what I do is I kind of like search more and I find the right keywords, because you can see as we go down, some of the keywords are just like search for one time. So we don't need that. So the right keyword here we see is actually hoodie. Then we have again the word hoodies again. Then we have sweatshirt, we have gift, we have shirt, t-shirt, then we have black hoodie. Then we have oversized hoodie. So that's what we are getting here. So from here, I get an idea that these are the different tags that I should go for, and I copy and paste few of these. So I'm gonna go with the word hoodie. Then we have hoodies, and you can also search for different tags from your title. Make sure the different words that you have in your title, you create them as separate, tags too. So what I can do is here, we can go with hoodies for men. Then I'm going to go with yellow hoodie. Then we're going to go with men hoodie. And you can see we have created like 45 of these. Again, I can go to this tool here and search for the other. Then we have like a sweatshirt. This is also the one that is working. So I'm going to go with sweatshirt here. Then we went with hoodies for men. Then we're going to go with men hoodie, because people actually search for anything. Like it doesn't even have to make sense sometimes, the wording that we use in the tags. So it's fine if it's not making sense and you're using the same words, because it will work at the end and it will give you the best results. So I have added these tags here. We can add different shapes and colors and styles and functions as the tag. And this way, make sure to add all of these 13 tags here. So once they're added, they will look like this. And now we have these tags ready. You can also get the idea for the tags from here if you want to, and it will show you the different results. Who is it for? These are the questions that your tag should answer. You can also use this tool right here, which is Top Bubble Index, and it will give you the results to add the tags to your product. And now you can fill in the listing right here, and it will actually give you the good results. You can try out the tool, and now you know like how to write and add the tags to Etsy for a product, and you can sell it online. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.